Oh my gosh, I don't even have anyone watching this live. Guys, I'm so stressed right now. Eh? Ngithweni ngakhuluma abantu ngikwi-live ho.
Ngicela ukushisa before lunch
Sanibonani.
Yabona le physical abuse ngi-enjoy la emsebenzini.
Sanibonani. What are you guys doing there? I must do it. Guys, hello. Who's more?
Ngibuyile njapa.
Oh, hi Mavili. Hi guys, public announcement. I know you probably already know why I'm doing this live, but today is the last day that you can vote. We are voting today. At least she's not crying now. Very funny.
Yeah.
We are voting today.
Vote Vulindlela. Vote Vulindlela.
It is the last day. The last day. Please vote. Iman vote.
Vote.
Please vote. Please
Are we
vote.
posting to leave?
SMS. Oh, no SMS. What is happening? Why can't I SMS? Guys, it's the last day. I'm never ever gonna ask you for anything ever again in my life.
Why are you not writing SMS?
Guys, it's SMS bala kulokhuza. Baby. BABY 5.
What?
You're telling me 5. It's in the bag. 5 4 3 1 1. Guys, now what check is 5 4 3 1 1 6. I think. He has to take it, and right now he's in number 4, guys. There's 3 people in front of us. 3.
I on your stories.
And it's on your WhatsApp. I sent it to you.
Okay. I lost things on my WhatsApp.
Huh?
You sent it to everybody.
Why don't I
literally did. Guys, I'm so stressed. Please vote for my child. I can't lose. I hate losing. This is very personal.
You see, when I told you that I don't have it, you don't believe me?
What the hell? What's that? How? See, I got it right. No.
4 ones.
1 1 3 6. It's not a love bite. I hurt myself, you prick. Oh, ngisuke lo muntu nje ngivele ngine stress. Kapho nginjani even on my back. 2 4 2 3 2 3 2 3. Guys, it is very personal. It is so personal. Like, yo, like, angwazi nje nokusebenza. Oh, ma, I need to go do it. Imina long busy manje?
No.
Yes, please vote for my child. Please, guys, this is as a country. Like, come on.
Ingane country lenyenza kanje guys.
Guys, come on.
Isono.
Like,
ingane country.
Khona umuntu okufakile airtime manje ovote futhi phela.
Ubone ngani?
Kade kusho wena nje usikhona ngifakile airtime. It is, guys, it's a competition. It's called Star Baby Competition, right? It's just 30 Rand airtime. And today, your 30 Rand counts 5 times. Okay? Please. Ngiyanicela ngizobuya eMozambique ngizokwenza noma yini ngifuna ukuthi ngiyenze. Ngiyanicela bandla. You can't vote, guys. You have to... Thank you, Lundega. Oh, thank you, girl. Yes, it's a vote, Lundega. Okay, Diamond, maybe if you vote, if my child wins, then you can see me, ne?
Yes, man.
We'll organize a dinner.
Sonke sobe sikhona sisalapreta.
So when's the Vulindlela celebration for Danny, guys? It's 30 rand for 15 votes.
So it's 30 rand. Oh, 15. Is it 15? Oh, keep
It's 30
calculator.
rand.
Keep calculator. Oh, times
15
5.
votes.
Oh, so 15 times 5. Uba.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15. She's right.
No. 15 plus 15 is 30. Plus another 15 is 45. Plus another 15 is 60. Yes, 75. So for 30 rand, you're getting 75 votes today.
If you vote on the link.
No, SMS. Or link, whatever.
So what else? Liz.
Ngivoteni manje before ngikhohlwe. Ngiyabonga Nomfundo. Oh, thank you Nomfundo. It's 75 khanya. Ufana nami maths yak triplish.
Hi.
Guys, please vote now, please. Thank you, Letu.
Thank you, Pablo. Guys,
Yo,
please vote.
Pablo. Wow,
Vote,
say
vote.
it on the child. Why do you say every
Vote,
single
vote,
that I know?
vote,
That's the
vote,
Chicago.
vote,
South side,
vote,
yeah.
ASAP Rocky, ne?
No, it's not
Vote,
ASAP
vote,
Rocky.
vote. Guys, mina abantu abavota
Thank you,
ngempela.
my
No, do you know
Tebuko.
what? Abantu abavota ngempela, I want screenshots, post them, tag.
No,
Proof.
it SMSs me. It shows me who voted.
Where's the SMSs?
So check a manage. Thank you,
trust you
SG.
guys.
Please, yeah, nami mhlambe bathi done.
Singadani ngathi siyadayiswa la. You're selling us.
Thank you, BBR07. Thank you so much. Appreciate you.
Please
Nice
do one
one.
vote to take all your family, take your one mother phone. Vote for baby for Nchlela. You know.
Thank
Vote
you,
to
Shy.
Nkosi.
Guys, please, I'm asking you so nicely. Please ask if untshontshe ifone boyfriend uvote ngayo.
Hey, girlfriend.
Untshontshe ifone girlfriend uvote
Uzozisa
ngayo.
phinda yeke uma.
Untshontshe ye colleague uthi face ID.
Vote.
Thank you, Boniface.
Votan, Baba, it's gone again.
Thank you, guys. Really, I'm gonna be.
I'm
so
keeping track of
depressed
the
if my
votes. Actually, let
child-
me go to the
if
thing
my
and keep
child
track of the votes if you guys are really voting for real.
Ngiyabonga Shaikido. How? Ngiyabonga.
Oh, Shakita, I can't believe it.
Uthi kunini ngithi done. Thank you, babe. Please use your husband's phone. Oh no, we're now 5th place.
Ah, you guys are not voting. How are we number 5?
Oh my gosh, guys. It's because everyone's voting today. It's the last day.
Share Winkos's entry.
Number 5th, but then Bags and Bougie, I will please send me a screenshot that you voted and I'll answer your DM. Okay.
Shooting star of the day times 4.
Mandisa. The fact that Alizwa is Xhosa shocks me.
Sorry, guys.
What?
I wanted us to combine you and Nabuji, but no, I thought it was fine.
No, I can go put Jogo now. Ufuna ngiyanqaza manje sikhokho. Oh my guys, this is number 5. This is number 5. 5.
Uluvote, kaya lethu. Uluvote.
Hayi bana mask ngeke.
When you vote using the link,
When
you vote-
labo.
when you vote using the link, you can vote via SnapScan, via EFT, and via credit card. And it's cheaper using the.
Bukani mfethu ngani but ngani yami sewu number 5 cabanga from number 2 and yavala.
We're waiting for Baby
competition
Owenkosi. We're
namhlanje.
voting for this one little cutie.
Yene.
This is who we're voting for.
Akulunganga kanjani
We're number
Angithi baba-
5.
Isibisindo nami nomsindo nawe nomsindo sikwazi ukuthi kuba nomsindo.
Sorry, ke.
Uyazi bukani sorry city lighting yes.
Which means singayisho
Ugqoke la blue bengithe uzoshintsha kulona. Navy pants, yabo, navy shirt. And the khaki
The
pants.
link, it's in the link.
Star.
It's www.star starbaby.co.za. Ngicombine ayibo guys ngathi mine dialogue engaka.
no phela
Ila ngixolisa khona.
So asicombine notifuna yodwa nawo neyodwa lobutu neyodwa ekapsini neyodwa so asicombine kahle kahle ama-eggs.
Ngiseleni nesineyodwa.
No.
That is the
kusho
link,
ukuthi
guys.
i-combination yethu
I posted the
is
link.
not
You can check
doubling
there.
your job or doubling
Itum.
your job. It's just
Yeah, likhona la
one
ngifakile.
but pause nekusini ingene abanye into kanjalo.
Or mina eyiphi sin ila not where with the whole family.
Yeah, it's you and Nduni only.
Nguni.
Yeah, you call him
162
Nguni.
yadifa.
Yeah, I know. What's Tina got with him?
Hi, but the
Go
one
ahead,
who
let's
tells
do
you
it.
no.
Ah, oh yeah. Yeah, hectic.
Please go put the joke on for me.
Oh,
But someone said who we're voting for. Spendelela. Hold on, Spendele, guys.
Baby.
Guys, kaloku sisemsebenzini. Unfortunately, sisemsebenzini, so we can't answer everything.
Obambela ngiyo thatha ijoke.
Sisemsebenzini, so sometimes kumele sinake into yomsebenzi.
Ngicela nivoteleni ingane yami Nkosi. Ngiyahamba njena ngiyalithatha iduku. Webaya cute_me ngoba ngibuza uNomkhosi nje mfethu usuvotile. Khona usucela number yakho. For 100 votes, I'll give you Aliza's number. For 100 votes, I'll give you her number. I promise you. And I don't break a promise. Ela equal shit. Ana mflash. Ka kofiwa match. Ngifuna.
Henry.
I would do anything for votes. I'm willing to give away people's numbers. I'm willing to do whatever. Please vote for my child. You number 5, guys. We need to be number 1, not number 2, 3, 4, 5.
1745, 1745, 5, 6, 7, 8.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 8.
It's 7, 8. Started as a beautiful
8.
8, 6, we were supposed to walk in.
Guys, I can't go live every day. Today is the last day. Yeah, Valon, I'm trying to competition. Vugani, are you winning? 6, 7, 8. How am I? But 3% is over.
1745.
Hope you don't think I don't what, babes.
1745. Mana. 825. No,
For my child, I will do anything, okay? Nalo thing papi lengis or papa if I have to, as long as I get votes. Thank you. Thank you, Anela. Yeah, bro.
3 pages?
3 pages. I told you that this thing's long.
You don't have a phone call.
Yeah. Hey.
You don't have a message.
If I can memorize 3 pages, manje na I
You have a
guys,
message.
I fail into then. Okay, guys, my battery is about to die. Ow. But please vote. Please keep on voting. Uzo. Go. Oh, guys. Yini ngisho ngicela sivote bayithi. Ngiyacela sivote bandle ngiyacela. My battery's about to die, so if it dies, let's see what sanibonani. Ninjani? Ngibuzeni phela nami ukuthi nginjani. Niyaphila nina ngithi cela ningibuze mina ukuthi nginjani khona ngizonitshela ukuthi nginjani. Ngikho right guys. Ingane yami number 5 and today's the last day of the competition. Wasn't he number 2? He was number 2. Yes, because the other people are voting more than we are voting and we see the slate njengamanje. But how come it's number 2? Sure guys, ngifuna ukukhala. Ngiyacela sivoteni wokugcina guys. Today's the last day. Sukuma ke guys, number 5, there's no way.
No way. From number
We cannot accept this defeat. Oh my, yaba le charge nkosi yami ngichargeise. Hayi, 95%. Udwele ngiyamphuca. Yaba. I don't even know who this is. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, mama. Angizibeka kanjani ukuze ikwazi at the same time. Mama. Khona uthi ufuna ukujoin ithempeli lenkosi. Yabo ungasuvote mina ngizokwenzela iplan. Nasi. Ngizokwenzela iplan. In ma'am. Nice, please. Thank you, Bandile. Oh, thank you. I'm sending you hugs and kisses. Okay, guys, we can do this. We can do this. I believe in us. I believe in us. I think. How? Wait, what's the set much? Am I on cont? I don't think so. I don't know. As I end it, CC, my babe. CC. Umngani wami. Ngicela uvotele ingane yami, ngiyacela mngani wami. Wena ke umngani wami, you're my friend, babes. Please. Ubuvula indlela usemvotweni. Uzomthola kwi-link. Uzomthola kwi-link. However, Miss Mpepu and Mavumbi are speaking. And I don't understand what they're saying. Hari Divi Zwavudi Radumu Semesa. I hope I'm not triggering anyone. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sanbanana Basanongena Gizokankas. V, I don't know what happened to the page. Semana guys, ngiyakhankasa lana ukuthi enivotele ingane yami. Ngiyangicela kahle nje ngomoya kaNkulunkulu, ngomoya kaMvelase, ngomoya wasendulo. Oh, Samla, thank you. Now please vote. Please. Please. Vugani, any questions? It honestly disappeared. I promise you, I had it in my hand. Guys, for those who were voting, I will personally Zoenza Nkwar see yes. Who's being rude to who? We don't tolerate rudeness here. Who's being rude so we can block them? Huh? Defect house, my boss. Yeah. Amen. Okay. Mina ngumabos. Okay. Oh ma. Oh yo, we're gonna cut all of this. Ima ngithi uba kade ba road simple kephela. Oh. Elaning na ke lekhaya unkosi yami. Vukane? Ungipasele inivia san ngigcobe mina. Ngoba lekhaya namhlanje mina nginakiwe nje ngicela ni DCT, ngicela nento yokuqama ama eyebrows. Ngibuka ukuthi ngifake ngani udubo. It's fine, Mama. Thank you. That's it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. I almost called you today, Ntombi. I wanted. You got?
I bought, what's this thing here I bought?
What you got?
What's this?
I wanted.
I bought the burger.
Togo.
Yeah.
No, I don't eat Togo. I wanted beans.
Beans? No,
I wanted the
you know what?
cheese here.
Yesterday she wasn't working enough.
Yeah.
So she said she's gonna use Monday's menu for Tuesday.
Oh, yeah.
So
Why
now
she
we-
never work?
Huh?
Why she
Yesterday,
never
I don't know why she never worked, but she never worked yesterday.
Okay, so you got Togo today.
No, I got in flour, I got to be what chicken and rice for what the girl said she wants.
Which girl? Elisa?
Who's no?
Vanille.
Who's the other girl?